One of the biggest changes that has been happening over the past few years is how easy it is to turn an idea into an actual business. Yes, you yourself can now build websites, tools, software, marketplaces that rival eBay, Amazon. And just up to a few years ago, none of this would even be possible. But thanks to the power of technology and AI, you can create these marketplaces, these softwares, these websites from the comfort of your own home. Here's the shift. Because of this, there's certain underserved niches online that you can actually tap into now because you don't need a developer team, you don't need a certain level of expertise to publish these websites. The type of websites I'm referring to are online utility tools. Think of file converters, PDF editors. These are single player platforms that allow users to come in and they instantly solve a problem for them. Primarily, these websites are monetized in two ways. The first one is through Google AdSense. So Google places ads on your website, and any traffic that sees those ads or clicks those ads, Google will pay you for it. Secondly, premium membership. Now, the premium membership works through a freemium model. People come for the tool, but let's say, for example, your PDF editor, in order to remove the watermark, to get full capacity of using that tool, you would need to unlock premium. So both through Google AdSense and monetizing your subscriptions, you're able to earn income from these websites in the background, and they're very low maintenance. In times of uncertainty, the most boring businesses win. Now, this is the online version of a boring business. Okay, so next I want to show you an example of a website that I built for a client and how you can do it for yourself. So let's go.
So if we just take a look into my client's website here that I created for them, this website's called Paperflow and it's a PDF editor. More on this in a second, but first I want to show you why we selected a PDF editor. So if we go to our Google Keyword Planner, this is just a simple tool that allows you to analyze monthly search volume on specific keywords. So in this case, we use the keyword PDF. Now, within that keyword, we're able to see the monthly search volume on each one of these terms and other terms that are just like it. So if we come here to the top, we see PDF, PDF editor, and this volume right here, 100,000 to 1 million, is every month. So organically, this term or this word is getting 100,000 to 1 million searches per month, which tells you there's a need for it in the marketplace. So that's why we chose a PDF editor for this particular client. Now, going back to their website, let's look into the pricing model. So this type of strategy that we're using is a come for the tool strategy, very similar to what Dropbox did in the beginning with their tool, with their software. So the cool thing is this is a single player tool. The traffic that visits this website, they come for a specific need, and you're able to provide them with that need through a solution with your editor. So that's why we have the free version here. This free version will generate the traffic. We will monetize this with Google AdSense, which means there will be just ads on the website. Nothing that will obstruct the viewer, but enough to where we can still monetize off of the traffic that comes in. So anytime somebody views an ad or gets a click, you're able to monetize the free traffic on here. So this is a freemium business model, meaning that we have the free and we also have premium. Now, the premium comes with full capacity of the tool. So think in terms of, let's say you edit a PDF, but on the free version, it has a watermark, or on the free version, there are certain usage limits. And then what premium does, it unlocks it. So this gives your users the ability to unlock the full capacity of your tool and it incentivizes them to do so. So the last thing I want to talk about is how to bring your website live. So you're going to need to do three things. The first one is you'll need an actual domain name. So up here at the top, this is the domain name from Base44. And with this, you'll just need to go to a hosting website like a GoDaddy or a Namecheap and enter your domain name in that you would like to select. So for example, this website is called Paperflow. I would check for paperflow.com or something along those lines, or paperflowpdf.com, something that's very SEO friendly to your specific website. So it increases the search volume. Now, the second thing you'll need to do is sign up for a Stripe account. It's free to do so. That you just need to enter some of your information in, but Stripe is how you get paid. So back to the pricing page here. everybody who signs up for this $9 a month, this money needs to flow somewhere. This cash needs to go somewhere, right? So this is going into your Stripe account. And Stripe is how you're going to accept payments for this type of website. So it's very easy to do so. And I can also show you how to do it if you need to. And then lastly, what you'll need is a Google AdSense account. Also free to sign up for, very easy to sign up for. But that's how you place the ads on the websites, and that is how you monetize the traffic flow. So through Google AdSense, be able to place the ads on the website for you. They can do it automatically, or you can manually select depending on just what your preference is or your skill level. But all this is just done within Base 44. It's as simple as just telling them, hey, I want to add a Google AdSense. They're going to ask you for your publisher ID. They're like, hey, I want to connect Stripe. They're going to ask you for your secret key. All in all, very easy, very simple to do. If you're interested in one of these websites, feel free to send me a message.
That's it for this video. I hope this helped. If you're interested, I build these websites for my clients completely for free as an affiliate with Base 44. So if you're interested, feel free to reach out to me. But my name is Eric, and I'm out.